interference with witnesses in the judicial process. Okay. Then says, what's up, Truth Team? It's your girl, Mickey Truth. SD's #1 urban blogger and the queen of paperwork. Boy, the internet was on fire yesterday when it came to the Lil Durk case. Now, I told y'all on Instagram, it's getting messy. Now, who done went and did all this? Because it's going to definitely hit the courts. And you know what? I wake up this morning and it's already on the paperwork. Let's get into it.
We have Mickey Truth.
Who is this? You got Mickey Truth kicked out.
Shout out Mickey.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth.
Now, everybody should be following me on Instagram at Mickey Truth 2022. Because if you do, you already seen this photo. If you've been engaging in my YouTube community posts, then you already saw this photo because it went viral. This photo is of Lil Durk's co-defendants, OTF Dede and Boogie. Now, personally, I'm like, well, if you're going to risk it all, why not take a picture of Lil Durk? Let us see how thin he has gotten. Let us see what's going on with his hair. Like, give us a visual of what we already been talking about. But nevertheless, I mean, the picture still went viral. Now, on Instagram and on my community wall, I already told y'all my point of view of it all. But just in case y'all slipping, okay, and y'all haven't taken a look at what I had to say about it, let's go over to my Instagram. I wrote, somebody about to get banned out the federal courthouse. Word on the courtroom streets is a picture just surfaced showing Lil Durk co-defendants OTF Dede and Boogie sitting inside courtroom during their motion hearing. Y'all know federal court do not play about phones or pictures inside that building. This is getting messy real quick. Now, I just realized I put sitting, but they definitely is standing up, smiling, giggling, hee-haw, all that, okay? But nevertheless, yeah, I was like, what? You already know they going to try to use that to their advantage. Now, to their advantage is definitely what has happened. And to be honest, legally, they have a valid point to use this to get what they already want anyway. So let's pull up the document. You already know all documents that I use for my content is available on my Patreon.
Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon.
So according to this filing, it said on November 18, 2025, this court held a hearing on multiple pretrial motions, including the government motion requesting that the court impanel an anonymous jury. Among other things, the government's motion explains that an anonymous jury was necessary because of the significant risk of interference with witnesses in the judicial process. Okay, this says T docket 234. And due to the extensive and continuous national publicity in this case, consistent with these concerns, the government received information today that at least one photograph was taken during the hearing depicting certain defendants and counsel. The photograph, taken in violation of Federal Rule Criminal P53, prohibiting courtroom photography. I keep telling y'all that. Listen, you can't even be the news and go in there like a state case, how you can get a rule, whatever, go in there. You can't even do that in federal court. They have sketches, like people that do sketches. You can't have no photography in there. The court, like none at all. You can't file for it, nothing. They do sketches, right? It says the photograph taken in violation has been published on at least 3 different websites, Reddit, Instagram, and Facebook. This blatant violation of the federal rules and the following widespread dissemination of the photograph underscores that an anonymous jury is only one of the security measures this court should employ to prevent improper attempts to intimidate and or influence jurors, ensure a fair trial for all parties, and protect the judicial process. Listen, personally, I ain't worried about it. I was nowhere near California during this time, okay? So, hell yeah, I posted it, or reposted it technically, because I ain't over there. I'm all the way in South Carolina, baby, okay? It went viral, and as a blogger / blog, I had to post it to my people on the Truth Team, okay? Now, it definitely was a no-no. You shouldn't have did that. And if you was going to do a shit, go big. take a picture of Durk. Anyway, now, is this enough though for a unanimous jury? I mean, it's not like they took pictures of the prosecutors or the judge. They literally was taking pictures of the defendants. Now, still not right, but I don't see it being like this one picture being that massive to the point like this is supposed to win your argument when they literally took pictures of the defense. Everybody know who the defense is. Nobody took pictures of none of the judge who was threatened, the prosecutor who was threatened, none of that. So just personally, without any legal anything to, I just personally don't think that's enough. That's just how I feel about it. Now, they posted another document, right? And this is a declaration of Daniel H. Winter, who is the Assistant United States Attorney for the Central District of California. It says the government requests to leave to file this exhibit under seal. The above described exhibit depicts certain defendants and counsel during the November 18, 2025 hearing in the matter. Sealing of the exhibit is necessary to avoid further dissemination of the improper photograph. Now, the question that this leaves me with, what does that even mean? It's everywhere. Like, at this point, even if you seal it, it was unsealed at the time that it circulated. So, like, what you gonna do? Hit up everybody and say, take it down? That's not how that works, baby. Just like with paperwork. If you have a document that was unsealed, it gets around, and then you seal it, we ain't got to take it down. It was not sealed at the time we started talking about it. It was public. Okay, I just went through a situation like that with the whole video with YNW Melly homeboy. Like, it was public at the time. I made it circulate. So guess what? It's public. Okay. So it's gonna be interesting how this plays out. Of course, we're waiting for a lot of answers from the judge as far as these motions. But I wonder if this is gonna be enough weight. Now, y'all already know anything that happens during these hearings definitely gonna fall back on Durk. Okay, definitely. They're gonna find a way to make it fall back on Durk. Not just Durk, his other defendants. Because now this picture, when it comes to OTF Dede and Boogie, now we see these alleged murderers, hitmen, laughing and joking in the courtroom. Is crazy. You know what I'm saying? When I went to the O Block case, they was serious face when they was at their trial. You know, when I went to Quando Rondo here, he had the serious face. So I ain't never really been to a federal courtroom where niggas smiling and shit. So that's a little eerie, like, bro, you literally fighting for your life and you up here. You know, maybe they told a good joke at the time. I don't know. But it leaves for people's opinions when the pictures like that surface, when we already had, you know, the understanding. Shout out to I'm Not a Lawyer, but letting us know y'all giggling and shit in court. So it's like, But anyway, hey, I'm just a blogger. With that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to pull up on your girl Big Truth. I'll catch y'all next one. Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah, I'm trying to conquer the world, coming from where I come from. Hey, this your girl Mickey Truth, #1 blogger in South Carolina. #1 blogger in South Carolina. Hold on, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot, because my slots be filling up fast. Come join the Truth Team on Patreon. All documents that I use for my content is available to the members. So y'all come tap in with the Truth Team on Patreon. What's up, Truth Team? I am here, okay? Back to get a touch of love. Yes, I'm at Touch of Love Massage Shop, okay? Now listen, I've been getting my massages through Touch of Love for years, even before it was a shop to come to. But let me show you around. And then I got to get ready because I'm feeling a little tense. And let me tell you, if you work in like call centers, streamers, YouTubers, sitting at that desk all the time, you definitely need to be tapping in to get your massage. So let's take a tour. So it was located in a nice business building. The suite was set up real comfortably. It was like to the back, and the candles was burning. The aromatherapy was definitely there. Okay, so I had to get undressed, and I'm like, yo, Gotta get all the way undressed. But anyway, like I said, being getting massages, Nakia is awesome at what she does. And let me tell y'all, them hands are blessed, okay? I got the full body massage, including, okay, the hot stones. And when I say that hour went so fast, I even went to sleep. And I always go to sleep during massage for some reason. But yeah, definitely needed that because y'all know I had a night ahead of me, okay?
Guys, I'm Nakia. I am the owner-operator of Touch of Love Massage Services. I always start with people. I start with the information of what massage is. So massage is the manipulation of muscles. Exercise is the manipulation of muscles. The only difference is we are manually using our hands to do those activities. So a lot of people look at massage as a luxury when really it's a health necessity. So I'm more on the medical side of things. So if you're experiencing any pain of any sort, muscles is 90% of pain, so I would recommend you to come and get a massage.
How can they follow you?
I do have my business page, Touch of Love Massage Services, on Instagram. I have Touch of Love Massage Services on Facebook, and if you want to set an appointment with me, you can look me up on Setmore. It's an app platform online where you can book appointments.
Hey, there you have it. And y'all, I feel like a new woman, but now it's time to party. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.